If you want form controls like text boxes and drop-downs to resize based on their content, you can now set field sizing to content in your CSS. This will then avoid you from having to write lines of CSS to resize your controls as user types. It's also a good idea to set a min width and max width as you see fit. Let's see it in action. If I type in a field that doesn't have this rule set, the text box won't resize. But if I type in the text box with field sizing set to content, the field expands and shrinks with the content, taking into account our min width here. This also works for drop-downs. In this case, the drop-down is resized to fit the selected value displayed. But a great use case is for text area controls that wrap onto multiple lines. By default, these will resize both vertically and horizontally. But if you only wanted to resize your text area vertically, you can set resize to vertical and define a fixed width for the control. So now when I type in this text area, the text drops onto a new line and expands the control as appropriate. It's worth noting that this feature is only available on Chromium browser at the moment, with support for Safari and Firefox coming soon. Be sure to leave a like if you found this useful, and to keep up to date with all the latest web dev and .NET tips, subscribe to Azul Coding on YouTube.